Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here, enjoying the sounds of a beautiful 1965 GTO. We do have PHS documentation on this. 389 4-speed car. That's a Muncie 4-speed. And with no stamping done yet, we have actually checked out the date code on the engine, and it's probably the original engine. Excuse me. There we go. Now we're back in business. This is a red car with a white interior bucket seat. Once again, Muncie 4-speed, beautiful interior, wood grain dash, wood grain steering wheel, beautiful carpet, nice headliner. Again, PHS documentation goes with the car. There's your 389 with the chrome dress-up kit. Big old Edelbrock carburetor. This does have 4-wheel drum brakes. A little bit better of the inside. Thing runs and drives superbly. Great car. Sounds great. Make sure you go to our website, check out our detailed information. We've got it all broken down. Also, at the end of the video, I have stills of the interior, the undercarriage, as well as the engine compartment, the trunk. Please check us out on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. This is a stunning automobile. It is cool as all get out. An icon in the muscle car biz. 1965 GTO 4-speed PHS documented and ready for the road today. Ready to rock and roll today. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.